With this unrelenting storm, the most vulnerable are at risk. This morning, several Texas hospitals and medical centers are struggling with the massive logistical challenge of evacuating their patients while also facing a supply shortage. ABC's Victor Oquendo is live outside Ben Taub Hospital in Houston. And Victor, tell us what you're learning there this morning.
Good morning, Amy. This hospital is one of two Trauma One centers in the Houston area. The situation here was dire. So far, they've moved out 6 critical patients, and they're still working on moving out 60 more patients.
Hospitals across Houston trapped by flooding, facing power outages and rapidly dwindling supplies, racing to evacuate. Here at Ben Taub, floodwater and sewage overwhelming the hospital's basement, affecting much needed food and medicine.
The situation happening at Ben Taub right now, for example, where apparently they were running out of food at one point there, and there were also some flooding concerns. What can something like that do to a hospital?
If you start to run out of supplies and you can't feed people, that's a big problem.
While the hospitals struggle, neighbors turning to each other for help. This dramatic moment from ABC affiliate KTRK shows one of their reporters trying to help a woman deliver her baby in Northeast Houston. The pregnant woman received help and was taken to a hospital. Another incredible story of new life at this inundated apartment complex. Neighbors forming a human chain to help a woman in labor through the rising waters.
There were at least 15 people in our apartment at one point, all trying to help and lend a hand and bringing supplies and making phone calls, and it was remarkable.
And this picture of an elderly stroke victim, floodwaters up to her mattress before being rescued.
What can they do if they're just standing in dirty water?
The water is filthy. It contains sewage. It contains runoff from who knows what. So you need to get out of the water as quickly as possible.
The flooding here in the basement at Ben Taub had a major impact, affecting the pharmacy, food, and supplies. Word this morning, they've been able to restock food and linens. Amy, for right now, they say they're stable.
All right, for right now, Victor Oquendo, thank you. And let's go now to ABC News senior medical contributor Dr. Jennifer Ashton. She is live at the ER at Resolute Health, a hospital in New Braunfels, Texas, where victims of Harvey are now being taken for medical attention. So, Jen, tell us what you're seeing there.
So, Amy, this here at Resolute Health is part of an outlying area of hospitals that have received over 700 patients from the flood zone. They are on medical standby. They're able and ready to receive more patients. They are running a military-style medical operation here. Now it's just a matter of getting the healthcare providers and doctors and nurses to these patients. Yesterday, unprecedented, the Texas governor enacted provisions to allow out-of-state medical professionals to get emergency medical privileges here in Texas. I completed that paperwork yesterday. We are going to try to get in to rescue and help people again today. Yesterday, it was unsafe. I'm bringing a pretty extensive medical kit, including some basic dressings, some antibiotics, and you guys, shoelaces in case I need to tie off an umbilical cord after doing a delivery. We're prepared for anything.
Wow. Well, we are so glad that you are there to help. We hope the logistics get a little bit easier and you can get to where you need to be. Dr. Jen, thank you.
Well, hey there, GMA fans. Robin Roberts here. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Lots of great stuff here. So go on, click the subscribe button right over here to get more of awesome videos and content from GMA every day, anytime. We thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the morning on GMA.